G'day guys, what's cracking? It's your boy 2Aussie here again. So I'm back at North Sydney and I'm going over to check out this PIzzabot. Now last time I was down here they'd run out of pizzas, so haven't gone to suss it out yet, but let's go and have a squiz and see what all the hype's about. Let's see if they got some pizzas this time. Come with. Alright, let's get this party started. As you can imagine, being in this North Sydney, across the other side of the bridge at lunchtime, it's very hard to find a quiet spot. So there it is guys, our PIzzabot. It was generating a lot of interest over there. Now I can't lie, for $8.99, I can't say I'm a happy little chappy with the size of this. Now, just before we flop it out, I'm going to put a link down below. I got the salami one, there's two to choose from. If you want to see another video, someone did the other one, called, her name's Tash Marks the Spot. So we can kill two birds with one stone here. You can actually go and see the other one, and I won't have to get it. Let's get it out. I gotta tell you, it was piping hot. Here we go. It's even smaller than I thought. Bloody hell. Not eats well. Let's give it a crack anyway. Don't have any trouble holding this one. It's stuck in. Oh. No, it's not too bad. It seemed a bit crunchy, but it's not too bad actually. Tell you what. Salami is very hot, extremely. So, yeah, that's pretty much like I'm eating chili. Let's try the olives. So there's salami, very hot salami. Olives, you'll love to see it. I don't mind olives. Tastes alright. Tell you what, I don't know how hot that was going to be, that salami. I would have grabbed a little beveragino, but I thought it's only a little pizza. I'll grab a drink later. It's actually a pretty decent pizza. It turned out much better than I thought, especially looking at how small it is, but I reckon I'm actually going to be reasonably full after this, and it is hitting in a good way. It does have good flavours. Pleasantly surprised. Having said that, let me say this. I'm tempted to go and get that other one now, but got to save some room for Ron, because later on I want to do another video while I'm down here in the city. Now, this can be a little snacky poo, but I've got to tell you, for what it is, and I just can't believe how good it tastes. There's not much on it. Let's just check out the other side. Looks like it's cooked alright. I reckon they sort of half cook them and then they whack them in there and let them continue cooking. With all that being said, I actually would eat that one again. I actually thought I was going to be very disappointed, but like I said, doesn't have much ingredients on it, but it's full of flavour. It must have some good cheese on it or something. So for what it is and how it was made, and only taking 2 minutes, I'm impressed. I'm going to give this 4 stars out of 5 for taste, and for value, I reckon we'll give it about a 3.5. I don't see value, $8.99 there, but you know what, it was worth a try. So guys, like I said, if you want to see the other version, the other pizza, there'll be a link down in the description to Tash Marks the Spots channel. She did the other one. You can see what her opinion of it was. I think she liked it too, you know. So winner winner. Aldi PIzzabot pizza. It wasn't bad. It's half decent. Now let's just give this outside crust a quick. Oh no, it feels pretty soft. It's about the same. Totally on point for such a strangely made pizza. So guys, that's Aldi PIzzabot Pizza, North Sydney, on the other side of the coat hanger, across the harbour. And I may put a little bit of stuff on the other channel just so you can see that while I'm down here, whatever I film while I'm here. So if you're ever over this way, give that one a try. Wrap your laughing gear around it. It's well worth a try. I thought I'd be so disappointed. Give them a try. It ain't bad, and if you like your spice, I'll tell you what, that one will knock your socks off. So guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, you can never be too Aussie. Hooroo! Stay fresh. I'm gonna scoff the rest of this and go and get a drink. My mouth's on fire.